What if you could turn $250 into $2,000 just by having your home professionally cleaned? A recent study shows that a little over $200 spent cleaning and decluttering your home before putting it on the market will net you almost 10 times that much money in increased value. Cleaning and removing clutter is the foundation of successfully staging your home to sell. No matter how much pretty stuff you move into the home, it won't look attractive unless it's sitting on a clean stage. Plus, home buyers want a house they can immediately move into, not one that requires a cleaning crew to get into shape. For more information, give me a call or a text.